Here's a roundup of kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier, faster, and more fun. From prepping vegetables and making fries in seconds, to crafting fresh plant-based milk, frothy lattes, or homemade pasta, these tools save time while adding convenience to your countertop. Whether you're a casual cook or a home chef, these gadgets will transform your kitchen routine. So let's get started. You know that feeling when you want something fresh in the morning but don't want to deal with the mess? And this one, the Canoly C16 3-in-1 juicer, is one of those gadgets that quietly makes your morning smoother. It looks clean and modern, and once it's on your counter, it just feels right. And using it is simple. A 250-watt brushless motor keeps it quiet yet strong enough to handle hard fruits, greens, or nuts without effort. Plus, its 90-ounce hopper saves plenty of prep time since you can drop in whole fruits and let it do its thing while you get ready for the day. Now, here's the interesting part. It's a 3-in-1 machine, so it doesn't just make juice. You can also make nut milk or even whip up a smoothie or sorbet with the extra strainer. This kind of flexibility is what makes it very practical. Plus, its slow 45 RPM auger keeps all that flavor and nutrition inside your glass, while the 0.1mm fine filter ensures every sip is smooth. Cleaning doesn't feel like a chore either. The latch opens easily, and the pulp outlet comes off so you can rinse it fast and move on. It's one of those tools that quietly fits into your daily routine, making your mornings fresher, easier, and way more versatile with its 3-in-1 capabilities. Here's a simple tool that does one job well: coring peppers. The Suuker 2-in-1 pepper. Corer set comes with 2 stainless steel corers, one large for bell peppers, tomatoes, or apples, and one small for chilies or jalapenos. To use it, just plunge the serrated end into the top of the pepper and twist. The core and seeds pop right out. It's handy for stuffing peppers or prepping them for cooking. There's no battery or frill, just metal tubes and a comfortable plastic handle. At only about $10 for the set, it's super affordable. If you like making stuffed peppers, homemade salsa, or just hate scooping seeds by hand, this does it quickly. We'd say it's one of those kitchen gadgets that quietly saves you time without even thinking about it. After coring, a rinse under water cleans the tool easily. It's a little assistant that makes cutting peppers a 2-second job instead of a messy minute. Up for some fries with dinner, the Sopito French fry cutter is a heavy-duty handheld press that helps you dice potatoes into fries in seconds. It's all metal, a solid stainless steel lever and blade, so it feels like a little mini guillotine for produce. Just lock a peeled potato in the frame and push the long handle down. Out come perfect half-inch fries. It takes some muscle on first use, but then it slices through potatoes like butter. After testing a batch, it's clear it's very efficient for making a large batch of fries, which is great if you have a crowd. Cleanup is easy. The whole cutter disassembles with no tools, so you can rinse off any stuck bits. It's a bit bulky to store, but for about $29, this cutter will save tons of chopping time. In a casual kitchen chat, I'd say it's like having a mini fry factory, and definitely faster than chopping with a knife. Just be sure to put it on a sturdy cutting board when you press. Calling all plant-based milk fans. The Arcmira Multifunction milk maker is like a high-tech blender for making almond, soy, oat, or even coconut milk at home. It's an 8-in-1 appliance, cold or hot, with a 1-liter ceramic heating jug. Load up your soaked nuts or grains, add water, and press start. In about 5 to 10 minutes, it grinds, cooks, and filters the mixture for you. Fresh milk ready to drink or store. It even has smart features: a delay start so you can have milk ready in the morning, a keep warm function, and a self-clean cycle. For cleaning, it rinses itself with boiling water and a scrubbing disc, which is neat. This gadget costs around $50. Given that, if you drink a lot of nut seed milks, it can pay for itself. It's like having an electric soy milk machine. No stovetop boiling or mesh straining needed. We love it for quick dairy-free lattes or smoothies. Just dump in almonds and water, and out comes creamy almond milk in minutes. For a busy kitchen, it's one-stop nut milk making. For newbies, it's super easy. A simple but practical one, the Culligan 22-cup water dispenser. Think of it as a huge filtered water jug with a tap, designed to sit on your counter or fridge shelf. You pour tap water in the top, it slowly filters through and collects in the 22-cup reservoir below. And you dispense filtered water from the spigot. Its claim to fame is ZeroWater's 5-stage filter technology, and it removes 5 times more contaminants like lead, PFAS, chlorine, etc., compared to a typical pitcher filter. It even includes a little TDS meter so you can test water purity before and after. This is great for drinking water, cooking pasta, or making coffee tea. Design-wise, it's sturdy plastic with a flip-top lid and ergonomic spigot. With one filter, you can filter 15 to 20 gallons or so before replacement. You can get it for around $33 with one cartridge. In our chef chat, if your tap water needs polishing, this dispenser brings restaurant-quality water right to your kitchen. And since it's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe on top, it's a no-hassle solution. Plus, no more running back and forth for bottled water. Just fill and pour. For big breakfasts, the Bella Electric Griddle is a champ. At about $29, it packs a 1,500-watt cook surface that heats super fast. You can fry up 8 pancakes or eggs at once on its non-stick ceramic plate. It has adjustable temperature up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, controlled by a digital probe, plus a handy warming tray underneath to keep finished food hot. The plate is removable for cleaning. Just unplug and pop it in the dishwasher later. Basically, it turns your counter into a mini griddle or hot plate. You can use it to grill quesadillas, bacon, veggies, anything flat. With those 116 square inches, the plate is 10 by 18 inch, you can fit a whole meal, like pancakes, bacon, all cooking together. The only catch is it's fairly wide, so give it a little space. But at under $30, it's a steal for families or brunch lovers. It's not a fancy machine, but it works, and that hot tray is a nice touch when someone's still flipping their eggs. If you need an extra large pan that sticks to one setting, this is a great helper. This one's cool. The FLAIROSOL. OLIVIA oil sprayer replaces the old plastic pump bottles. It's a glass container that uses air pressure to give a continuous fine mist of oil. You pour in olive oil or any cooking oil, pump the handle 10 to 15 times to pressurize, and then each press of the trigger sprays an even fan of oil. One full pump dispenses about 1 gram of oil, so it's perfect for calorie control and healthy cooking. Instead of pouring oil for roast veggies, just spray them. Evenly coated, no propellant needed, and it's leak-proof with an anti-drip trigger. You can use it to lightly coat pans or salads. It's continuous. Not one shot like a pump spray, so it covers the area like a mini airbrush. Cleaning is easy too. A quick rinse and dry, and it's ready for next time. And it even looks stylish on the counter. At around $22, the OLIVIA sprayer is a clever twist on oil bottles. You feel like a chef spraying pans with a smooth mist each time. For latte lovers, the Dreo BaristaMaker is a little countertop froth factory. It's an electric milk frother with a 450 milliliter stainless steel jug. Plug it in and you can make 30+ types of coffee drinks with 3 microfoam settings: thin, medium, thick foam for latte art, plus 2 thicker foams. In short, it mimics a barista. Its special impeller churns milk and breaks bubbles into ultra-fine foam, which is 50% smaller bubbles than many frothers. It also has 6 programs covering all sorts of milk: whole, half and half, almond, soy, oat, etc. So whether you want a silky cappuccino or cold vegan foam, it does that. You will like how it heats the milk just right and stays quiet at 60 decibels. Cleanup is also easy. A detachable jug is dishwasher safe. Running it for about a minute gives you latte-ready microfoam without diluting the milk. It's a bit of a splurge at $83, but if you drink fancy coffee at home often, it pays off. And yes, you can even use it to blend protein shakes or hot chocolate by stirring mode. It's pretty versatile. This gadget is like a countertop grill meets smoker. The Hamilton Beach Indoor Searing Grill is about $164. It has 116 square-inch non-stick plate that reaches searing temps up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to give steaks those grill marks. What makes it wild is the built-in smoke infuser. There's a raised rack above the grill plate. You set this rack high to cold smoked cheese or nuts, or leave it down and use wood chips to hot smoke meats and fish. A vented hood and a fan let you control how much smoke you want, so you can grill burgers and get smoke flavor without going outside. Cleanup is also easy. The griddle, rack, and hood all come apart and are dishwasher safe. We've seen it described as sear, grill, and infuse all at once. For at-home chefs, it's a way to get BBQ flavor indoors year-round. Cold smoked salmon, BBQ ribs, or simply a grilled steak in winter. The large surface even lets you cook a family meal up to 6 servings on the plate. It's not cheap or tiny, but if outdoor space is limited or you want novelty, this is a unique gadget. Homemade pasta fans, this is for you! The Hamilton Beach electric pasta maker is like a bread machine for pasta. It automatically mixes, kneads, and extrudes fresh pasta. You measure out flour and water, add them in, then pick quick or standard mode. In about 15 minutes, it yields fresh pasta worth 2 to 3 servings. It comes with 7 discs to make different shapes: spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, lasagna sheets, etc. The internal weighing scale and a dough guide help you get the flour to liquid ratio just right. You can spin spinach or beet juice for color too. The machine handled it fine. For making homemade dinners, this is a time saver, needing no hand kneading or rolling. The unit itself is about the size of a small countertop appliance, and it has a storage drawer for the discs. It's priced around $150, so it's an investment. But if you love fresh pasta's texture and variety, it's worth it. In our kitchen chats, people say it's so fun to press a button and watch linguine come out. For entertaining or teaching kids cooking, this gadget is a real treat. Plus, there's no waiting for dough to rise. Just pasta in minutes. These are the Amazon kitchen gadgets you will love. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content like this.